All right, guys, so we got our 12 gallons of epoxy here. We got a super clear liquid glass, 2 to 4 inch pour, and then we're gonna go and add some mica powder called Storm Gray. So that'll be what our epoxy will look like. It'll be kind of a gray metallic. Then over here, we've been working on getting this thing leveled up. It should be pretty good. We got it all shimmed up. And then underneath, I added a center deal to kind of support the middle there. So, and then over here, this is the one that we're gonna pour today. We're gonna pour part of it today, and then we'll come back and do the rest tomorrow. So we got all these getting ready to go. Tomorrow, we'll finish this pour, and then pour this, that, and that. I gotta mix 2 1/4 gallons here, so I got it marked out on my bucket. I did it with water first and marked my lines. All right, guys, there we are. Now we just gotta wait 24 hours for it to start getting tacky, and then we'll pour the rest of it on along with all these other ones. Hopefully everything goes good, cross your fingers. All right, guys, so just to check in here, we poured it at 11 and it is now almost 4 o'clock. So, little exothermic reactions going on. It's giving us some really cool designs. I got the thermal camera here, and it says it's like 91 degrees right now. So it's definitely doing its thing. Well, guys, this is what you don't want to happen. Why did this happen? I don't know. My thinking is that it's all encapsulated here. It's 2 3/4 inches thick. There's so much mass here. This is 2 1/4 gallons of epoxy. I think that it was kind of pushing the limits for it. It got too hot and couldn't dissipate the heat very well. We're just gonna let this for now and let it cure out all the way, and then we'll go from there. right, guys, we got the River coffee table here. Got it all poured. We put 3.71 gallons in it. It's gonna be cool. Here's the end tables. And here's the other end table. All right, guys, so this is roughly 32 hours later and it's pretty rock hard. So, I mean, I'm gonna let it in the form for now. It's supposed to cure 72 hours, but I'm really loving with the way this turned out. The level did end up going down like 1/4 of an inch. It's not a big deal. We'll just take this down flat with this, just plane it down. And then on these, they're getting hard. And this one is looking pretty nice too. And then like this is still sitting idle here. I'm waiting for a time to be able to pour it. Talk about satisfying. Okay guys, so we're gonna pour the rest of this today. I sanded this with some 220 grit sandpaper to kind of scuff it up a little bit so that way the other epoxy can bond to it. Then we're gonna use some 91% alcohol. I'm gonna rub it on and get all the surface clean. All right, guys, we poured this at 10 o'clock today. It's looking really good. We got fans going. I got one underneath and then one going here. And then I turned the thermostat from 70 to 65, so hopefully we slow the cure down so it doesn't crack again. But we poured it at 10 o'clock this morning and it's 5:30 now. And it's like 78, 79 degrees, so going good so far.